This is the Encolor T10 lighting controller from Visual Productions. The Encolor T10 is a stylish wall-mount DMX controller that blends sleek design with intuitive control. Its glass interface features a touch-sensitive color wheel, enhanced by subtle haptic feedback. This standalone DMX controller lets you effortlessly control one group of RGB fixtures, with or without an additional white channel. It's also capable of managing tunable white LEDs. Easy to install, the Encolor T10 is designed for simple wall mounting and comes with a 12-volt power supply. For more details and to download the Encolor T10 datasheet, visit visualproductions.nl. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for more videos from Visual Productions.